100,000 of them, almost the entire world population, are here. Polar bears. And now, they're very hungry. But adult walrus are tough, well-armed, and agile in water, and could fatally injure the bear. The narrow beaches here are backed by cliffs. And some walrus scramble up them, escaping the crowd. At the top, they are 80 meters above the beach. The bears have got up here too. Just the polar bear's presence is enough to spook the walrus. Many walrus that climb the cliffs never make it back to the ocean. Even once the polar bears have moved on, the walrus need to return to the sea, and some take the nearest way to do so. As one crashes on the rocks, those on the beach stampede, and more lives are lost. In the course of just a few days, over 200 walrus died. Now the polar bears can feed on the carcasses.